Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, watch how I turn simple dough and sweet apples into softest and sweetest snacks ever. One bite, you will fall in love. Let's make this delicious apple filling treats together. If today is your first time of tuning in, you're welcome. Please like, subscribe and share. Drop your comment below and watch to the end. To my new subscribers, my old subscribers, I want to say thank you so much. These are all the ingredients we'll be using. Let's get started.